Welcome! In this tutorial we are gonna learn how to access virtual machines from Windows using popular SSH clients. For starters, we're gonna create a new droplet on DigitalOcean. We will use Ubuntu and we will create the most basic one, and make sure that your key is selected here. Click on Create Droplet. And once our droplet is created, copy its IP address. You can use Windows OpenSSH client to access machines simply by typing SSH root at the IP address of our new virtual machine. Type yes here and you are logged in. If for whatever reason you want to use any other SSH client, such as Termius or PuTTY, here's the procedure. In order to use PuTTY, we must first convert our key using PuTTYGAN application. So download it, and once it's downloaded, load the key which you created earlier. Select all files here. Select the private key, not the public key. And we successfully imported it. Now type save private key. Click yes. Our private key. Click on save. And that's it. Now you can use PuTTY. Add the IP address of our new virtual machine here. Click on SSH here. Authentication. Browse for private key which we just saved. It's located in the same SSH directory. Click open and click open. Click yes here to accept the server fingerprint. Type root and you are logged in using PuTTY. Now let's see about Termius. In Termius, click new host. Label it any way you want. In address, paste the IP address. Scroll down to SSH. Username root. Click on keys. Click on add key here. Label it. Click on file. Select the private key. That's the one without the pub extension. And now open your public key. Copy. Get back to Termius and paste it here in the public key. Click on save. And once again save. And there you go. Double click. Click add and continue to accept the fingerprint. And we successfully logged in. Have fun!